Most businesses don't die because of competition. They die because the owner didn't plan for the unexpected. Let me show you how one big mistake can bankrupt everything that you built overnight. You're running a growing business. Clients are coming in and everything seems great. But then, out of nowhere, something happens to you. A sudden accident, a health crisis, and just like that, you're gone. Without you, your business stops running. Employees don't get paid, clients leave, and creditors come knocking. Your family is left with unpaid bills and no income. This has happened countless times. A thriving business one day, completely shut down the next because the owner didn't have a financial backup plan. The solution? A business protection plan designed specifically for business owners. It ensures your business keeps running and your family doesn't get financially wiped out. Don't leave your business and family unprotected. Let me show you how to safeguard what you've built before it's too late.